It is December 2nd. I think it's like 1 o'clock right now, but I just went to the post office to drop off a few orders from my Poshmark, and they were closed. So they're only open 8 to 12, Monday through Friday. So I guess that's what I get for going to the one that's like closest to us. It's like in this small little town. So yeah, they weren't open. So I'm gonna go down to Main Street, and there's one there, and then also Goodwill is over there too. So I should have just gone there in the first place, but it's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna go drop those packages off, and then I'm going to go to Goodwill, drop off some donations, and then look to see if they have anything for like Christmas decor. I really want to put our Christmas tree up because I've been watching Vlogmas and everyone has their Christmas decor and their Christmas trees up, and I'm like late in the game, but it's okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, so I just got back from Goodwill. I also stopped at Arc and found a few Christmas things. So first things first is I got this little tree. So cute. Bentley, he's just grabbing my tripod. This cute little tree. I think I'm gonna put it upstairs in our bedroom. I'm not sure yet, but I just thought it was so cute, and like it's just very decorative, very fitting. And then so I got that at Goodwill, and then I really didn't find much like decor stuff at Goodwill as I wanted to, but I did find some cute little mugs because we do not have any. Okay, that's better. Okay, so I got this mug. It has like little presents on it. So cute. They were all 99 cents. And then this one I've seen at Target before, but they're like, I don't even know how much they're. I want to say like $10, and it was 99 cents, but it looks like a little sweater. So cute. And then I wanted to get ones that match for Austin and I when we have like our coffees on the weekend. So I got these one that say cheer. So cute. And I think they're gonna be perfect. Then I found this coat, or I don't know what you would call it, but it's like a teddy coat, but so cute and comfortable, like so soft. I like that it has pockets. And I'm supposed to go to Seattle in January, so I think that this will just be perfect, but also just to be able to wear around the house. Super soft. Then I got some Christmas hoodies, sweatshirts, whatever. They're not supposed to be super cute or anything. They're just like comfortable sweaters. So this one has like little reindeer, and it says fa la la la, and then on the back it says "'Tis the season, Colorado." I just thought it was cute. But yeah, obviously I'll wash everything first. And then I got one more, and this one just has a bunch of little Santas on it, and it says "Merry Christmas." So cute. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put them in the wash right now. And then I also got a book. This has nothing to do with Christmas, but it's called The Glass Castle. I saw it, and well, I just like passed by it, and I feel like I've heard of it before, so I'm almost finished with my book, so I wanted to just grab another one. So that was all from Goodwill. And then from Arc actually surprised me. Like yeah, thanks. You just hit me with a fly swatter. But Arc actually surprised me because it was huge, and their store was so organized. So it was super easy to just like find what I needed. And Bentley was getting a little fussy, so he walked around the store with me. But Bentley, please don't hit that. Yeah, I'm gonna make lunch soon. But what was I saying? So I do want to go back there to look again, just because Bentley was getting a little fussy, and I didn't get to look at everything, but the majority of the things that I got is all Christmas. I think everything I got is Christmas, actually. So we'll start with these. I was going in looking for like plastic trees, and I found them. They're so cute. They're just like green Christmas trees. They don't light up or anything, which is fine, but I think I'm either gonna put them on the mantle down here, or I'm gonna put it upstairs in the loft next to the TV, or I'm gonna put it in our bedroom next to the TV. I'm not sure yet, but super cute. They were $1.49. And then I got 2 of these, which I'm probably the most excited about. They're so cute, and these are like $20. I saw them at Michael's. I think they're like $20, but they're just like these cute little trees and like this little wrapping, like so cute. And they were $6, $7, something like that. So I might put these on the mantle, or I might put these in our bedroom. I'm not sure, but I just love them. I think they're perfect. And then let's see what else. And then I got some garland because I've never actually had garland around our TV or up on anything, so I really wanted to get some. I'm not sure exactly where I'm gonna put it yet because I want it to be around the TV, but the way our TV is set up over here, like, you wouldn't really be able to see it. So I might wrap it around the sliding patio door down here, or I might put it up on the mantle. I'm not sure, but I just wanted some garland. Then I think this is the last thing that I got. Oh, I got one more thing, but I got this cute little wreath. I like that it's more like horizontal because I'm gonna put it above the sliding patio door. I just think it's so pretty, and these colors kind of match the vibe, I guess. I don't know. I didn't really know exactly what vibe I was going for, but I feel like the majority of it is just like green Christmas with some gold. I feel like the gold and the brown matches our kitchen tables, so that's why I got this, but I just wanted to put something above there just to make it a little more festive. And then the last thing I got is some shorts. These are just like Christmas shorts, but they just have like little elves or gnomes. Yeah, they're gnomes. Little gnomes, and they're just so cute. So yeah, I got those because when we're decorating for Christmas, I obviously want to be wearing Christmas stuff. So yeah, that is everything that I got. I am so excited. I'm just like waiting for a Christmas tree because I feel like no matter how much I decorate, if I don't have a Christmas tree up, it doesn't feel like Christmas. I washed all of the Christmas stuff that I bought, so I want to put it on and see how they fit. So let's do that first. First one, they obviously don't match, but they're so comfy and it just makes me feel like Christmas. Bailey, do you like it? Do you like it? But yeah, this is them. I wish that the pants or that the shorts had pockets or the hoodie had pockets, but it's all good. Yeah. But I'm very excited. Austin has no idea that I bought like Christmas stuff today, so I'm excited for when he does come home and I'm just like full on Christmas. Okay, let me try on the other hoodie. Oh yeah. Okay. This is the little reindeer one. So comfy. The like head was a little tight. Hi. But it's very comfortable. So I'll probably just leave this on because it makes me feel so much better. Hi. What are you doing? But yeah, this is probably what I'm going to be wearing. Okay, so while I am doing laundry, I wanted to kind of tell you a funny story that happened to me the other day. So Austin's friend, like childhood friend, came over and he was helping us with our kitchen lights. And he has 3 little girls. So one is 8, the middle is 3, almost 4, and the third is 2, I think. Yeah, she's 2. So they have like a ton of energy, and we were just playing. I somehow managed to slip and fall, and I knew that I like hit the ground, but I wasn't expecting to get like a big bruise or this. I mean, yep. Like, it's so big and it hurts so bad. Like, it's my whole like knee, shin, I don't know what you call this, but like it's so big. And all I was doing was I was just playing with him. Like we were playing a game of little like score or whatever down in this like entryway, and I was just playing with the two older ones. And Austin watched the whole thing. Like he was just like, oh my god, you just ate it. And I was like, I know. So he looked at it and he saw that there wasn't anything. He's like, it's a little red, but it's fine. Then the next day I wake up and yep, big old bruise. Like it's so embarrassing, but kind of funny at the same time. Like it's just, you know, I guess that's what hockey is. But yeah, that was just my funny story. But I think that's gonna be it for today's vlog. I gave you your pacifier. You grabbed another fly swatter. That little grin. But yeah, so it's like 6:15 right now. I had a huge plate of nachos for lunch, so I probably won't eat dinner. Bentley ate at like 3:34, so he might not even be hungry. I'll probably give him like a little snack or something before he goes to bed. But yeah, I am going to watch The Princess Switched again, because I watched the first one last year and then rewatched it yesterday, 2 days ago, I think yesterday. And yeah, I'll probably watch that because Austin won't want to watch it with me, so this is like the perfect time to watch it because he is not here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Say bye. Bye. Can you say hi? Well, you're waving, but the fly swatter is there. Can I see the fly swatter? Can you say hi? Can you say bye? It's the same thing. We'll work on it. We're working on it. Oh, there you go. That was good. Okay, you can have it back. Okay, we will see you tomorrow. Bye.